Okay. Yeah. Oh boy. What's up, everybody? I'm super stoked because, yes, I did cancel my Mac Studio and Studio Display order. But, as you probably already imagined, because this video is more than a minute long, we're just going to go pick one up. Speaking of energy, I need some energy. You guys like my shirt, by the way? It kind of matches the Red Bull, you know? Alright, let's go. Get out of the fridge, you nerd. You like my shirt? It's very on brand today, don't you think?
I do like it. Looks good.
It's very on brand. Can you hear me in there? Hold on, I'm coming. Hold, just wait a second. Oh, relax. Hey, it's okay. Relax, I got you. Did you keep the cargo safe? My God. It's okay, we're here now. Let's go! So yeah, I'm back. Let's get to unboxing this stuff. Nothing gets me more excited, truthfully, than a new computer. Literally went to bed at 6 a.m. this morning, and nothing in this world will get me out of bed faster than going to get a new computer. It's always been that way, probably always will be. Deal with it. Hold on 1 second. Let me hide this real quick. Yeah. Let me just stick that on there. All right, here we go. Ooh, this is always the best part. Wow, look at that. Oh, hold on a minute. Stop it. Hold on a second, hold the phone. You guys see this black braided power cable? Pretty standard, pretty similar to what you'd find like on the extended MacBook Pro. Actually, I have one right here. So here's the MacBook Pro extension cable for the power brick, and then here's the one for the Mac Studio. So you can kind of see if I can't hold it up to the camera a little bit better. Maybe. No idea if you can see that. You got your Design in Apple. There you go. That's all you get in the box. And then here's the actual system. Let's go ahead and take the wrap off, shall we? Unbelievably beautiful. I mean, it's so simple, honestly, but that's kind of what makes it so great. Got your 4 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, 10 gig Ethernet port right there, your power, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, high impedance ammo jack, and your power button, and a bunch of ventilation on the back here for exhaust, and then your inlet at the bottom there, and then a beautiful, just like the new MacBooks, embossed Mac Studio logo there. Very nice. 2 more USB-C ports in the front and an SDXC slot. But there you go. There's your Mac Studio. Cool. I'm bored with it already. Oh my God. Time to unbox the Studio Display. Oh my God, this is the biggest Apple box I've ever opened. Oh, no way, it works just like the Studio does. Yo, check this out, ready? Bro, Apple's on another level with their box design. The question now is, where am I gonna sit this when I pick it up? I guess I am lifting from here. Yes. Okay, power cable, presumably. Okay, the actual power cable's right there. Okay, Apple, let's talk about these black braided cables for a moment, dude. So obviously this display uses Thunderbolt. Look at these cables, dude, why? These are the nicest USB-C cable or Thunderbolt cables I've ever seen. Beautifully braided. We love them. Here's the display. There we go. Wow, look at that, it's already plugged in for you. Look at that. Shall we peel together? That was amazing. There it is. There is the Mac Studio and Studio Display. Make sure to subscribe to see some more beautiful content around these two. I will be sure to upload as much as I can this weekend and into next week, so stay tuned. Okay, before I go, I did get it powered on. There will be more, so like I said, just stay tuned for that. I just want to get something out as soon as possible. You can see the ominous glow from the Studio Display. Let me give you guys the flip side so you can see what we're working with. Oh, close my cable in there. There we go. There it is, all set up. Pretty sweet. It's not focusing. Hello? There it is, all nice and set up. Got the Studio Display also set up, and I went ahead and picked up the new keyboard and trackpad, and I'll explain that in another video, why I really, really like the trackpad for the Mac, and for the keyboard, same thing. So this is actually it. I gotta finish setting this up, and I'm gonna edit this video on the Mac Studio. Insane. All right, peace out, bye. Where's my thing? Where's the lens cap? There it is. All right, peace out. Wait, can you see that? All right, peace out.